Here is why Kahana saves you time. Your dashboard places everything you care about front and center, so you don't waste any time setting up your projects and can make immediate progress on what you care about. You can save time and frustration opening dozens of tabs and documents by, instead, using a writing hub where everything you need is waiting for you in orderly, accessible folders. You can easily invite others to view or edit in the same place, help your group collaborate efficiently, and get on the same page faster. When dreamers and doers of all kinds try Kahana, they can't believe how they ever lived without it. So what are you waiting for? Right now, you can give the Kahana platform a try for free and experience the difference for yourself. All you need to do is visit kahana.co to get started.